time I like to hear that sound.
Yeah. Sounds like a real monster truck.
Oh yeah. This is an extreme whitewater jet boat. It's used on rivers like the Snake River, Rogue River, Hell's Canyon, Colorado River, by tour companies and rescue services. Real sturdy boat. And you'll really appreciate that when we go over the 10-foot waterfall today.
What?
I want to see if you were listening. Yeah, no waterfalls, no extreme white water. No, it's a scenic cruise, no white water. A couple bumps here and there, but that's about it. Alright, down into Windy Pass we go. Yes, you folks sitting in the front seat, just want to further advise you that, especially upriver, I might come around a sharp turn, and there could be a moose standing in the river, or there could be kayakers in the river, or a log or tree floating down river where I got to put on the brakes real fast. I'll warn you, but realize you have a handrail there. You got the back of my seat. Yeah, or just move back a seat. Good idea. Okay. Yeah, so just kind of keep that in mind, okay? Do you work for National Geographic?
No.
That's a serious camera. Wow. All right. Here we go. Hope you have a good time. Everybody, right?
Yeah. No, I'll miss it.
On our left here, that's the Jack River, and